studio eya radio eyokutendeka abanyamakuru okumanya ebiri kukiraho tushanje ahari www.ibandauniversity.ac.ug ninga tera esimezi Ibanda University.
Hard work for excellence.
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia ku ceiling tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singa kwetaga wabweru
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
akusinga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Omugacencwire kireki motoka ibire zibire nizitambuze ente z'enshuma zikwasirwa muri kakomero
batente 3 emukuzo yakomyewo n'omuguwa
okwijwe kiro kya Bikira Maria abikiriza basha bokorera mukama batarukweganda.
He also sees you.
Okuhandika barukwenda kutaha amahega UPDF kwatankera izuba omuri Bushenyi district.
Kugenda bashomire munonga ebya computer.
Emitwe y'amakuru yaba ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints
mutia
ku ceiling tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singa kwetaga wabweru
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
akusinga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Emitwe y'amakuru
Omuhigo gwo kwate motoka ezigwizireho bwa nyuma y'omutura owamanywa nka Atanas Sebowa okuruga kijorwa mugomborera ya Bwanswa okutera enduru ngwente ziberwe.
Heading towards Hoima that the officers managed to intercept, tried to stop them and they refused to stop. It was on that disregard to the instructions that the officers fired bullets that deflated the tires and somehow it reduced their speed.
David Otabongo omudumizi wa polisi mu district ya Kagadi nagira ngo ababire binente ziri kuteekateekwa kubeza enyibano babandize kwanga kwemerera no kwekucwa mu kutera emotoka amasasi kandi abavugi bazo bakagurukamu bakiruka. Enteze zibire nizitamburizibwa mu motoka y'ekika kya Noah registration number UA602DA erukwiragura n'endije ya registration number UBR 553
where they intercepted the vehicle number UBR 653Y, and the watchfires upon reaching that point they fled the hill and the cows were recovered.
Kiro mbadde neebase nempulira nga ebweru waliyo embirigo n'enzokuka n'ensanga nga ababbi batwala ente zange. Baatuta ente 3, emu ku zo yakomyewo n'omuguwa era nekubira gondi abatuuze netugobagobako era okukakana netuwulira ekirango nti ente ziri katika.
Tiisawa nka 11 nga senior sister wange anteerera banteereire angamu muzeyi bamusibiramu gwatuuke nga bamuteekere ente zoona bakozireki bazitwaire niyo mukaira kunyumukira mugani nijja nindora ente bazitiikire mu maiso ga kiriziya wenyini niyo mukaira ako funega omu wa polisi bwonkuteerera mukonekitinga nimugambire embeera eriwo.
Evarist Kabagambe mukuru w'entebe ya kashatu ahabwa katikara nagira ngo bacwiremo kwegita hari polisi bwa nyuma yo kuhurira ngo hariho abashuma abari kwibenteza abatura.
So kwa mayisi wanyu na timu yanjye kukura security ya katikara na kwatagana na polisi n'abasirikare na giso na timu yona wasa kurindira amuhanda kurindira abashuma abo. Icyo mu gishaka cyayizire abashuma babanza nabeyo na mbere polisi yanaro yatandika muri mutera amasasi yamara kwemereza abaganga rero bagunze bakatikara polisi ya katikara bose na timu ye bakora umurimo
kandi nente zona twazi kwata ziri ya polisi katikara ndasima polisi bagenzi bitu ndasima bebembezi inywena kurango twatiremo kintu cyo kwatagana hamwe no kureba ngo twamaraho urushuma buri katikara.
Polisi ya kwa senteze bakama bazo bitu kandi motoka zikiri ha polisi ya katikara obo kuchondoza kuri kugenda omisho. Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.
Webare Thomas tumwebaze kandi ebikorwa ebyo bushuma nitubijimera ni mwabarisa muzahabu zoramisho twagumizamo namakuru obwo kuhandika bari kwenda kuzoma he kuri kugenda omisho omo district says that zimwe na zimwe abantu bashabu kwetantaro fere na nabafere abazwira misho bagambirwe ubwo bari kwenda kutaho mahe babire bahandikwa omo district ya Lyantonde.
Abantu bari Lyantonde raka inachotera abayoni bayanditisa kuzomahe konga hari mwimbora cyana abayoni bafere mnyeto kubashoroza musente omwizina lya UPDF.
Leta yo kasente nze njya kuyisawo wali exercise eri free and fair temuli wadde okusasula wadde kikumi tetulina bakayungirizi osange y'omuntu n'agamba nti atumanyi nnyo ajja kusobola otutuukirira era ndowooza atuuka wano nga tali ku lisiti era ndowooza olaba tubasindika eri wabwe tubagana edda temuli ku lisiti so tosasula muntu yenna ssente tewabakubira essimu kubanga abafere batandise n'okufuna essimu zaffe abali ku ttiimu ne bateekako profile picture zaffe ne basindikira obubaka eri abantu gundi jangunze gundi nkuyambeko wano noteekayo ssente zo so akasente ko mukawa mufere.
Abantu 72 no bari kwetagwa ku rugarakayi okutaho mahe konka hareba kiroho bace kandi mu rucyota na Lyantonde ntitaga abantu 98.
Konga kachera rakayi district twijo mu stage yo kushembayo ya recruitment yo kutaha mahe kandi stage yagendaje n'abagenzi bitu natwara abahoje nsima munonga government abo kumane ikiriza abana nkitwe tahamahe kugira ngo
bajoininga bekundire besavinga ihanga ryabo barebe ngo tubaza mbintu ebya corruption, total dedication, total commitment, hard work nukunda ruhanga bati bakasavinga
kai tubadde era kai tubadde tusuubira abantu 72 okuveera kai naye tana tufunye abantu 45.
Omugandi abebembezi b'amahega UPDF omukasheshekerizo babatandike hururu eyokurunda barikwenda kuzo mu mahe omu Rushenyi district. Habaho kushebere bandiko okoreba shemerire kutwarwa nebye byinjirire. Meja birungi yasimye mishari yo mu mahe ecyo yari kugira ngo niyo shonga ahabonye bingi nebenda kugatahamu.
Buli mwaka twine abakuritayaringa. So baeza kuritayaringa kira maisani haza mu gaps. So ezo gaps ni kwa twenda tuzifiringe na new entrants abachina mani performing activities ezikwetaga mani, and the technology is also changing. Twenda bashomire mnonga ebya computer ninga butukwasa ku traininga very fast bakakacinga up na technology nkokwe kugenda ne changing bulizo. So nicho kulebera ngu at least every year chimekuwa tukurukurutinga at the same time tukuritayaringa.
Ahitwarigire ha district ya Bushenyi abara bamba bariyone baceberwe ndwara zitari zimwe na zimwe rero babane kuza kutendekwa.
Kare twagumizamo n'amakuru ishabarisa witware ryambaro arambata ibintu mugisha yashaba bikiriza okutonda emitwarize ya Maryamo nyina wa Yesu yabaye bembira kushaba yabaye bembire misa yo kwijike cero ca Maryamo ahari Mary Hill High School, Mary Hill Girls aho mu Rembo rwambaro.
Okwetorora ensi yona erizoba amaramizo na munonga bakaturuki bajaguze ciro cya Bikira Mariya aho muri Mbarara ishabarisa witore rya Mbarara ramba tubino mugisha niwe yayebembera misa eyakorerwa Mary Hill Girls School.
Not ending in tragedy as a tragedy, but it ends with the power. It ends. The reading does not end with the power of the dragon. It ends with the proclamation of salvation. Victory belongs to the dragon? No. Victory belongs to God and to Christ, even when there is the presence of the dragon.
Omugandi makuru abakristo babirere bayegita abando munsi yona okujaguze ciro cya Bikira Mariya kandi okujaguzoku kwayebemberwa Father Henry Kamugisha St John Kibona Parish.
Nimuteko kushimanyira kimwe ngo kuza eciro kikuru okisa Mama Maria necho muhendo munonga ahabwachi Mama Maria ni nyina ruhanga nuwe muzire ayazire Yesu akamutebekanisa akamutomunsi akamureberera okintu kibonire nko kweta abana bawe bakija babonire bati kaharo mucucu imwe simwaretwa ikambonire kamuri smart. Amina mugumize mwaho numwakire kitima cyo muzire Bikira Mariya nukoko okubaje nk'abana barahanga
ona abikiriza bashabwo kwikiriza mu butosha. Message yayikomo munyishengero kazi wisingiro district Lilian Ruteraho kandi yagambira abahiko mu kushaboku okwariyo muhuru yo kureba ngo ibyamagara byatungurwa mu district y'Isingiro.
Waza kureba abana bari mu irwaro ryambarira obutikiti 50 n'agashocho ka 50 mbona bargisingiro mwari yo ngisingiro twatubindi irwaro ryitu mazima nerere kubaho obundi bukacendera
nabwanyima habaho kwirukangiro kunduzi bwa okwekerezia ya birere
kandi twikirizana twarode bahasa ya miliyoni 2 eze sente zyaze cash.
yashakwa Ali Washwa na Rusinwa Manya.
mwebare abanyamakuru bitu bo ababire besimbira mu karuru ko buciko bw'abakazi mu primary za NRM mu ruteraniro na Nyihanga Town Council mu district ya Rwampara bari mu rwe okwikirizana.
Obutikiriza novu bworekerwa hambuga nkuru za Town Council ya Nyihanga buteraniro mu district ya Rwampara obwentebekanza zo kugarukanisa besimbira ababombi zigwire butaka. Abari kuryana nkensenene ne Kitinwa Rebecca na Gloria na Mumpa.
Tukatera reka nkwere batugira ngo bo bizire kugarukanisa ese natukunda furora je se kutare wanje nabasa Loice cyari impa Anet nuwa publicist finance ni kingesi maturate kandi ndiclared nimba ni ndonda
Rebecca Kitinwa nagira ngo nwe yabira sinjiro mu karura kahwire kandi agendira hari eki niko kwanga kwetabo mu kugaruka mu karuraka.
Wenshonga yo kushanga mbabasa kutereza nkizoberi tukatandika ntuza kutera karuru kitu 2012 yo kwa munana kwenda hendera bacemera register twashanga tutakabagana mu register twasima NRM kushanga ne basa kurugahigure katwera ekatuyamba izoberi tukatungo oburinganiza bwa NRM itunga bacyara twayesima munonga kubecyo mu Rwampara tuweta kuciceza ngo kibasa kutubaho tuti ngo babase kutugira ngo tugaruko mu karuru kitu nitutungo buringaniza nutusima NRM ahagwo kurukiriza obusasi bw'omuntu wa hansi bakamanya ngo oburinganiza bwetagwa register yo kuba gishemeye kutwashanga starmu akaruru twakanga twatambara twaza district twaza offices za NRM registrar yatuyamba yakora buri kimwe cyona okusya hati obuyatera abahiguru bakabasa kwikiriza ngo akaruru kitu kagarukemo nutsima district ahabo kwikiriza akaruru kitu kagarukemo nutsima RDC nakamya Harriet akwa kutumuterira tukamushaho buyambi yayikiriza ngo akaruru tukagarukemo ahabo buringaniza bwa Rwampara tumusimira
twikiriza ngo turyabasinguzi akatukasingurizo bari akaruru kandi izo nomination day ya EC tuja kwihandikisa nicyo cyaturitaha nibamba kwa twatabirumu ituntsima Town Council yitaye bariho registrar witu mayor witu chairman NRM Rwampara yona aka twino businguzi kandi tukabuhebwa na declaration form yite itwina
ababwa nyuma yo kubera kwikirizana sigira bayendera ya district ukongera kutungo buringaniza ahabwa TV West Susan Jasim
webare Susan Charles mamurebe witwa TV West Murunzi twenda kusima aho rukutureberaho na kandi webare na no kutorana kureba TV West turiyo makuru agacencire kuko tukize tumure ukacen tugarukana makuru agandi
abahangu nubegekeye roko yongera ko indwara zemutse n'amagufa aha abantu batarakufa yo kwera kuza
so exercise nizo kureba ngo no gasakambura
indwara zemutse n'amagufa aha abantu batarakufa yo kwera kuza
so exercise nizo kureba ngo no basakutambura
abahangu nubegekeye roko yongera ko indwara zemutse n'amagufa aha abantu batarakufa yo kwera kuza
so exercise nizo kureba ngo no basakutambura
ebyo kwomeka byongera koroba kanjurire ankore case limited abara kumbira byo kombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuze bwana babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mbwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankore crazy baborobezaho byona barebumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakosa technology rispiria eco nabyombecyese cyangane kabendera ya Uganda mashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 cyenda na mukaga ankore crazy limited tugende twombeke
Are you in
panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates and Higher Education Access Certificates and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Kwa kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu.
Russia mino eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mwihanga na burenjero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent na Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukwereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, sumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchemo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande cyo kunywa. Nikigenderaho.
Hey! Manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera noti mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga noti mushanje noti mukaga 36 36 33
Kampanye zitwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanara.
Yaba tundatine.
Kandi mugamba uriyo pronto kogumire nishabo nyambe. Nyene cyane maweki nyenda kuchitwara hero. Banje ngo hari abantu
rekeraho. Abutwara abantu ahera bese gwamba beta baheze recruitment expert reba hariya Amazon building mwije mbatware.
Tutware.
Bito nyiri.
Ontware ahori kwenda.
Itwe aba Haze recruitment expert nutuza kuzamyaka 10 ombuhereza ubwo kutwara abantu ahera bambara nsangwa Amazon building not musanzina not emwe not zito za Kampala nsangwa rubowa opposite na Kwarte supermarket esumu not musanzu ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga not musanzina not emwe mirisha 25 mukaga Haze recruitment expert go Haze
go better
kashati wagenda
Nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gorobi rosfo nikangara kunkubya amashamera nobwo mutindo
okoraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubiyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rose form rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gona ogo farati guruko nahatinye chagare nebire byomisho rose form esiyo kushemera kwanje rose form esiyo biroto birungi
Otwiro inecyetengo cyo kusoma bunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomera ryo kusomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija wetungiro bukugu okwandika beja basya kuri ni kugenda mu misha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal
Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Tabaruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo na namakuru agesheka kitu cha kabiri tuje kutandika namakuru g'obusasi abo kubambara muzuri mu Supreme Council umwabazi w'gweri izuba yagwa umucekango bwa nyuma y'amakuru ago kufa kumushubuzi ranganwa Haji Jamilu Bachase District Council wambara Shay Abdul Mukwaya nuwe yahamya amakuru go kufuku kandi umugenzi Bachase naija kuzikwa izuba rya nyinca kare umuri Nyamitanga aho mu Rurembo urwambara.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim tugamba inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un twinokusasa kwinji abo kufa kwa mugenzi witu kandi memba witu akakorera obusalamu kumara wire bango Bachase Nyamitanga afa izuba chanka emwe ya hati twatwara okushasha kwitu abantu Nyamitanga n'abasalamu twenda kandi na imumanya mushiza biyarvoko umdini y'Islamu kandi yabere ariyo muntu wa movement n'umumanya so sasa neka sasa n'abasalamu sasa n'abantu bambara sasa n'abantu bompaka aho mwamazire biro obwire buringwa na hereza nshabamu kama amuhereze cyumuro kirungi yari niyo tugukuza kandi nshabamu kama amuhereze cyumuro kirungi mushizo gwakoriro Islamu munonga akakora wonka chairman wa Nyamitanga Mosque moyeni akankesha tu yayombeka ibi yayombekire ibiyombeka yabiyombeka amashomero Nyamitanga yagombeka yakorema mingi yo Islamu umtawuni yahabire natwera umukombeke chombeke kitu Bachase kozire ibinta kubasa no kuhendera na hati konka tuza kuvuga amanyisha kare tuzika naza kuzika abanyisha kare sha munana wabo Nyamitanga so nsaba mwena mwije tumuzike alhamdulillah rabbil alamin
mazira ganye na Jamilu Katongole Bachase ni musubuzi nisubura speya kandi ndi muri isa nimbisa enkoko ente no kuhinga ebihingwa obahabuzi bw'engambire minyeto na nihanga lyona tubanze tuhumuze mitima mibi ahabatayi bitu nakaya batungire mwebuzeho nimbasa kutunganda nakaya nakukira mubasa kumweguyota areke kukira akabe mparana tuza kutunguka tubanze twebembezo mutima murungi cyo kwenda ubendo cyendeza mutahi wawe noza gigara waba takwenda gigara iyo kwato mutima mubi oguteka ali mutahi wawe nigugarukira oshangoti nintunguka orwa wanaza kubona abantu za kubuza ngo mpabura tabuza kwabura abo kugira ngo emigambere yawe nemirebere yawe ndiyamusemeza yokutwaza
ago namakuru g'obusasi kandi Haji Bachase naija kuzikwa ahizuba erya nyinca kare shaha munana omuri Nyamitanga aho mu Rurembo urwambara ntumushabira mukama amuhe ekihumuro kirungi reka tugumizemo namakuru government kurabiro ministry y'eby'ubwegese n'emizano batongwizo kombeke 2008 ahari Chabenda secondary school omu district ya Kamwenge abana y'ishumereri batwiro mu ijurano kandi hariho amasiko ngo ibine byo na byaba byahwire omu ijurano hishumereri nugwisha kucendera
okombeka 2008 ahari Chabende SSM Mukamweja district nikwija kumaraho miliyoni ziri kweshunga mu runana abari kwebembera Chabenda SSC bina masikongwe bine byahwire ekizibu cyo kwijura nibija kuba batitera impimbi na muzana
Aga expansion that is on the period extra kana bona bagesi hapo
130 students. Out of these, 582 are boys and 548 are girls.
CPC led by Reverend, CPMC led by Reverend. So the process will be very particularly. Thank you very much for the good job. Well done. From any complaint, we did not have any issues.
Omurmogu nugija kumara emyezi mukaga yonka haba atadizire cyahindukamo.
Government abo created program eri kuza kuyamba ishomero ryitu rya Chabenda kandi nensima na President Museveni abasize kutuyamba kwebembera gihanga.
Okomeke binebi kuri hansi y'entebe kanseri kumayanka Uganda Secondary Education Expansion. Omugandi abatura n'abebemezo muri kibazi cya Muhunga home district ya Bushenyi bibashobire bwa nyuma ya government kombeka kamena ya miliyoni 2.5 aha kibazi here sende ya kashatu konke kagweta kakize na mwaka
ekindu kubizumiraho n'ekintu kimwe government na Munonga district yitu ya Bushenyi tukaba tutarakubasa ku itwe nk'abaturage tukatakubasa kugamba nyo ndekateka ngo cyangwa kikaretwa na engineer abo bakaba batizaho ngo bize barambure kubizire ko bitongosa commissioning twabagambira tukongebe bintu abajya kandi mwe tumwine mu bukugu imwe tumwine mu bukugu nabwe cyabino bukugu nabemba ari yaruguru oyizuke ngo yeri irwaro ryonka erutino mugombora ya Cyamuhunga supposed kubanehereza ubuhereza abantu bo kwika emitware 3 so nicumanyisa ngo irwaro hato for example obuta byo ryonkano barugwire abo kubirwara ertine toilet irwaro ertine mizi irwaro ertine mashanyarazi ninjira ngo nano ukongera kutera umuranga kugira ngo toilet yo eyombekweho contract ogo bamurete
abatubana bebembezi enshongeje nabagekera ubushomankuzo mu district
niwo mushango ninguteka ari engineer kandi nyongera nguteka awabira kwasibo bwirobwe kumonitaringe bindebe so abo kuba of course yakabaye naija kureba siminti ekabanche bicingebyo
abebembezi ba Bushenyi district abari mu prosper twebaze nabagira ngo Bushenyi kintu buremeze buhango obayo nabagezaho kutereza
ningira ngo hashime ko value for money umuntu bakwereze sende ngo gendo yombekera train y'abantu gendo korecho to kubasa kurya amagubo kagaruko kariye n'umurumo ico cyo kumanyisa atingeje ra train miliyoni 2.5 za government zona nza kubaza ferapsha
gashaka Mike atwakire
webare Michael atwakire twagumizamo n'amakuru byamagare kireki tuje kureba handu ara MC na namagufo mbantu indwara ezi nizeyongera umbantu ahabwembera eyibarukurabamo nangwa na nebyo aha bintu ebibarukora konka abakugombya amagara nibagira ngo indwara ezi nizitambwa konka abamumbantu nabakira kufahamu cyane
Chizirimpa Emmanuel no momba rwirebe msina magufa kanajya unateganisibwa na Munonga abwo busaso bwa rukurabamo
umugongo ndashasha kuguru ndashasha n'umunda ndashara mutikanyije hano ya none bakantambira wera kuna ikanu ya nashanga abashaho bariho abashaho barunji barakira abantu kandi bari gutera uburyo butujaja bagutukire
Dr. Ndahura Harold umushawo muhangu w'indwara z'emise n'amagufa nagira ngo kurwara emise amagufa n'ingingo kibasa kureta zindi ndwara umuntu yaba atatungiro kuragurwa kurungi
so abantu binji okoncharo ko bibina oburiro b'amagufa b'emise w'enyama byona konkani tubakwataho kureba ngo wareba ngo washasha ubusatsi bwagumizamo wareba ngo wamire ubabiro mbazi tugagenda wakora ibintu batambura bageza gukora kino kiriya tibatenda nikikwataho kureba ngo bije mu rayiro kandi ekikampo abamara amagambo nibakira kwija okuleta abantu okuruga kuriyambara kisizo kureba abine bizibu nk'ebi bakakora abo ku bantu basa kwija bakakureba bakakurabuza bakakuha embazi tukakureba aba physiotherapy tukakuhereza management and treatment ukareba ngo wagarukayo wabori utunesho
buri sare turaheza abantu bitanda abina abantu bine bizibu gensigo n'ebitigu n'emitima bamwe bazimbira ibonda abandi bazimbira bijere abandi bazimbira misho turabasindika kugira ngo baze kurabashaho bari specialist ninga bakugukira mununga kuko abantu bareba asa umuntu no muganda yo kutora kuko ajenga tayine sente zo kwikaya kashashura na stress protein.
Dr. Ndahura hona najyango ndwara y'emse n'amagufa tiziri kwetaga koresa munonga emibazi kurekana zishize bwo gukora ibintu bishikire.
So exercise nizo kureba ngo nubasa kutambura nubasa kugezaho kwiruka nubasa kugezaho stretchinga wareba umbiri bwo kakutambuza utakagama none ntambura kilomita nkitano nkamukaga wakireba konka no gita mukebindi ibyo kureba ngo umbiri utakakwata nyama zitakakwata imizi zitakakwata kureba ngo katungo uboburari kwa MC n'amagufa n'injingo.
Emirire mibi nayo nebasa kureta omuntu yagira uburemezo mese n'amagufa amakuru agasha kwa Hweza Wilfred.
Webare Hweza Wilfred mu district ya Kanungu twagumizamo akatsiko k'ishenzero akenshonga zo bwa president n'ingashi aka parliamentary committee on presidential affairs karaganiso ko bari kuza kushajika factory yo mwani ya Africa Coffee Park mu district y'isi ya Ntungamo. Abanyishenzera aba nobagiranye nobaza kureba ngo bashajika eco kuhinguza billion 293 ezirkwetengwa okumaririze miliyoni ekorwa a factory y'umwaneji eriyo mwishaza erya Kajara.
This is where we started from. Abanyishengera bari akaciko kishengera nshonga za mukuru w'ihanga aka parliamentary committee on presidential affairs babandiza no kurambura factory y'umwane ya Africa Coffee Park kureba ko miliyoni ekorwa. Abanyishengera aba basimira miliyoni ekorwa factory y'umwane ya Africa Coffee Park n'enkoresa nungi ya sente eza government.
Twenka committee kamba zenga mbenyo wenkanye ndi excited munonga by the way wale ba sente zibezerana babahereza no murimo kukozurwaha tuburu kwata sente zo babahere ni nke munonga kurigerera ha murimo kukozurwa ntabwo ejo nyenda kutwara mu cyogo kusima management ya organization age kandi no kusima government konka kana gari cyembashaka ngo umuntu kwakora ajya simwa ibintu bakozire n'ibirungi munonga amani bateri mu marongi munonga there is a lot of value for money senta hibaziteire ntarebo ntazoka really have impact mpango
ekyamazima tusimye nga committee kisente za government wakiriko wano tulaba nti bazitadde wesitekedde okubeera investment nungi nnyo olw'eggwanga Uganda era nkakasa tetuli nnyo mulosi wakiri singa banagezako okukitunda eri abantu bonna ne bakitegeera ne regions endala zonna nezikifunamu okugezanga Central Uganda, Southern Uganda, Eastern Uganda wakakiri mu Western Uganda so njagala bonna buli omu bamulete wano asobole kubanga fena tukifunamu.
Opoloto okwalinga Simon Peter kandi ryo mwishenjero wa Kanyumu County araganiso ko barukuza kuhajiro kwinguza billion 293 okumaririze miliyoni ekorwa factory G.
As parliament and as a presidential affairs committee we have already resolved that we are going to fully support the Inspire Africa dream, the Africa Coffee Park, to realize its vision of a socio-economic transformation. The $79.2 million that is now required will definitely be pursued to ensure that government provides that money.
Chukubanza eji company ezire kuya hobsas wabhingi bomwana hakwa abantu bayona pingo mwani guburebeyi gubashara oshanga prices star constant erizo bomwana gwenebe inongi bwashesha gwenebe hakugira ngo market abantu barugura barukorga heru tubeire depending munonga ha interests zabo. Brazil yagira umwana mwingi ogwa Uganda go konka twatwene factories nkeze companies nkeze ezikubasa ku adding value ha mwana gwitu nosho techo nkiza kuyamba munonga abihindi bo mwana
omukureba kwabo kandi njana bo babasa kwegambira kugira ngo ebibareba twabugumza mukihanga twabugumza muka nukwe abana bitu bagire mirimo nukwe abahinji bitu bagire akasente akirireyo bakabasa kugira akasente kinji omunshawo yabo kugira ngo abantu bitu ba farmers bitu babase kubaje ninga entunguka y'abahinji ebase kweyongera omumisho
ubwa hati factory y'umwaneje ya Africa Coffee Park nishoboze bintu bitari mwe na mukuru gw'umwani nkebyo kunywa amajuta go kwesiga lipstick scrub hamwe n'ibindi binji gasha kwa Elias Rutugusa muri Ntungamo district
kare yesterday ambire ndi omu district ya Ntungamo okureba emirimo enanyera munekorwa African Coffee Park reka tuze humuka humuro tugarukana amakuru agandi
Mwishongozi wawe riye nabasuwa kweshongoye yawe nohotine ruhanga yakukunda nakukunda ifyata yachitaguru yachituletera Kampala omuli Serena Hotel ebiro makumesha tubikomana n'umwaka kutandikana shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe twatandikira kushamererwa jishuka ngushigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka ukutaha muri mitwaro leta vyepe mitwaro 20 tebos miliyoni 3 hamwe na nitane z'abamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Fresco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Receipts JBL kumanya bukitiraho terazura mushanju 8 nkaga nina amabasha kanje
tandikizuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha chituzi yenywere chituzi ohurema twenje aha mumiro nichikurwa kurwo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo echi nichikurwa ba chituzi Farm Company Limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo chituzi drink echirizibwa chitongore cyo mutindo muihanga echa UNBS kandi neshangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Omuliro nguwulira mulimbo mutima kukankana like drums kalakata kalakata enendongo yakusabula mikono free of fire free of fire free of fire
Alo
ese bomwami mukasa
mutyaneyo
yono broka
yenze broka wa mayumba
bangambye ne nyumba za mwenungiko
kitufu oyagala abisenge bimeka
nga bisatu
ebeyi bagigambye
abangambye saatano
nedda sebeno zali nyamuko
yidwaki
anti rangi gye tusigisa ya mulembe nti ne value y'ekitundu yalinnya
musigisaki
global paints
mutya
ku ceiling tukozesa global mat ate munda ne tukozesa global silk vinyl
singa kwetaga
wabweru tukozesa global weather coat emulsion
kusiga gye musiga ogwo omutindo ogusasulira sente zonna
guli wumite
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
This July, get ready for stories that will make your heart race. From love and passion to secrets and lies that can ruin everything. Catch the sizzling episodes of Sins and Roses at 4 p.m, Domenica Monteiro at 5 p.m, Be My Sunshine at 6 p.m, and Avenida Brazil at 7 p.m, Central African Time. Only on Novelas Plus, Channel 134 on GoTV.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka erikyasingirayo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo rwa certificate na diploma omu diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu eyo mulembe computer z'ekika cy'ahiguru kandi by'emizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyo kutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyo mulembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri Mukaganemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo n'amakuru agacencwire agicweka citu ca kashatu amakampani agari omumirimo yo kutebekana so kutimba amajito mu cange c'abunyoro gashabire nkwatanisa omukugara hebyo bahangwa byona ebisisirwa umushicweke cyo
amakampani agari yo mu murimo yo kutebekana so kutimba amajito mu cyanga cya bunyoro gegisiro kujaguza ekiro cy'ebyobuhangwa ahabo mwaka gw'2026 ekijaguzo eki kitamburira ha mutwe guru kugira ngo answering the climate call, delivering responsible resource development. Ababebembirwa ba China National Offshore Oil Company batandikire no kuyonja hamwaro gwabo huka oguru kutimbwa amajita ga Kingfisher Oil Development Field mu district ya Chikobe.
In relation to emissions and climate change, we continue to explore and implement measures that improve operational efficiency, support emissions control, and continue to the transition towards lower carbon operations. We recognize that answering climate call requires not only compliance, but also innovation, improved technologies, and continuous improvement in the way we use energy and any other resources.
We need them to understand that the best environment is good for their survival. When they are making small gardens and they burn every grass and do everything, they need to know that actually the environment is not for us here, it is theirs.
Babiri nemitahisho mereri ya Bugoma Primary School na St. Paulo ya Kabere SSC omugombora ya Changwari.
This year's event, Kingfisher is pleased to have the opportunity to join hands with all our stakeholders to work together and promote the environment protection, awareness and actions. Today is a good opportunity for all of us to raise our awareness and more importantly to commit our commitment to the environment protection into actions.
Batongwize na solar system ahirwa Ruriansozi Health Center ya Kashatu okuyambaho buhereza ombwire bwekiro.
And let's together make a difference and let's clean up begin. So thank you, and once again, welcome to Kingfisher. Enjoy the day. Thank you.
We have been having power outages, but this is coming in handy to help our people to execute their duties. So thank you so much.
Agacencwire Ambrose.
Webare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto. Twagumizamo omukozi wa minister w'ebyamakoro David Bahati aranzirira ku government ebyo mu ntebe kanisa ezokombeka emyanya y'okushuburamo n'ingashi za industrial park 22 omubicweka ebitari bimwe na bimwe omwihanga. Minister Bahati abirarya hamukoro gw'abanyamakoro aba Ankore Industrial Development Export Promotion ogutebekanisiibwa abashubuzi abarkwegitira mu kigombe cyabo ekyambasite.
Okurugerera hari Minister Bahati aha myanya yo kushuburira mu 12 yayombekerwe kandi hasigiriye 10.
Encouraging import substitution and export promotion. That the things that we have been importing, we need to produce them here, and that's what we are doing. So government, even the President Museveni, ekukora henshi ekozireki ningache kukora ki kugira ngo iwe uri gukora business iwe uri processinga ogumize ukure sente. Ekyo kubanza peace and security obusingi orera birahanu nazo basamwenda orera twinati regional commander ali hanu konka mubiro bya amini ha okora mwikaho okora mwiko konka tena yabari baba kumusindika no kumusindika ku factory baraje guruka urugonda guruko abana bajya kusindika andeka na gate regional commander
we are expanding our operations. Very soon by December we shall have installed 10 metric tons of animal feed. So we shall be manufacturing animal feeds from here in Mbarara. By December, that factory will be complete.
Minister najya mu government ebembizi cyo kombeka emyanya egi ombicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe mu ihanga bitu kutari kugirundo mu rurembo urukuru rwa Kampala honka.
First, we are reducing the cost of transport. The cost of transport. There is a time when in Mbarara from Kampala, from Kabale to Kampala, you will take more than 8 hours. But now I take 5 hours, or sometimes 4.5 hours. I don't know when you drive home, Yajifuga. 3.5 hours. While you land up when I by then I was still very young. I had a very good Range Rover. So he used 3.5 hours from Kabale to Kampala. In 2005, can you imagine 2.5 hours, 3.5 hours? This will facilitate trade.
Mulimu bannaffe banyankole kweteranya abantu bano batandise okugatta omutindo ku bintu ebyenjawulo. Tulabye kaawa gwe bakola, tulabye omubisi gw'enjuki n'ebirala. Kale nno n'abalala bazze bwe batyo nga balaga engeri gye bagatta omutindo ku bintu. Kino kiraga nti Uganda weeraga yeeyongedde nnyo okulaga omutindo, era nga minisita bw'agambye Bahati twongere omutindo ku bintu byaffe bye tukola.
Gashakwa ali waso
webade ali waswa twagumizamu abanyabyobutegeki ab'ebyokwerinda n'abakozi ba gavumenti omu district ya Kisoro behanagirizibwe okurwanisa obushomanguzi kandi nabo bakabwetantara kandi okuraburwa oku kukozirwe RDC wa Kisoro Haj Badru Sibyara omushomo ogw'abebembezi ogubire kugenderera okurwanisa obushomanguzi.
Omushikirwa mukuru w'anga wa district ya Kisoro Hagisebyaro nagira ngu nkabembezi behire kurwanisa oburwenguzi omu district egi agumize ngu batandikira Erastus Nshaka orukurra akakiko k'emirimo mu district ya Kisoro.
Twali agadde kubeera nga twembarasingawo naye kati it's exposure for everybody, no diplomacy. The allegations against that money of about 2 million was given for the job. Somebody ngagamba nti alina sente okuziyamuwa milioni 2 n'amuwa ne sementi ensamba 15 byonna n'atamuwa na mulimu, so nadduka ku poliisi era he's willing to testify against him.
okurugera RDC omurimo gw'embeze no kusya obuheereza abantu bitu kutari kushomankura edatu Cosmas omukuru wa polisi wa district ya Kisoro nagira ngo n'ojunanizo bwa buri muntu okurwana sobora bw'enguzo mbyanga byabo
institutions and then at last we submit your files for appropriate action. I want to emphasize that police should not be viewed as an institution that waits for corruption to occur. Therefore, prevention is equally important. As we wait for the minister, I pray that none of us is mentioned, because he will tell me, please pick.
Ebintu bije bwo nyuma ya polisi okwata Erastus Nshaka urukura akakiko karugabe mu ruma wa district ya Kisoro bwanyuma yo mu batura kumuhababera ngo akamuyaho ubushaho bwa cement.
It's unfortunate our brother Chaka Ishaka Adimunda chairman wa service commission Adimunda. It's not a good thing. Na yeye abafumbira mumbaga mutawanya ariko mwebwe abafumbira mu mana DC impossible jobs we are not helping us we are only provide bakati kamba kwani ko namu
under section 49 of the Anti-Corruption Act it provides that no proceeding shall take place or shall continue against the accused person unless the DPP has consented to those proceedings. So what does it mean? How much is being obtained here? People should not expect that either to do tomorrow or it can be produced in court unless the file has gone to Kampala and the DPP himself has consented to the charges.
District ya Kisoro bariyo nibetebekana rutayarwa minister wa government zabiyanga barambarugahara gesha kwa kwita tuzarirwe
webare Kate atuzarirwe reka tuze makuru agebye mizano timu ya Boni Consil St Jerome Ndama hamwe na Ntare School ezretire cyange cyabo bwizo bo muzano y'amashomero ga senior aya East Africa eri kwindura mu kibuga Morogoro mu ihangiri ya Tanzania nazeri izuba zayureka amani banyuma yo kusinga mizano yazo yona.
Timu ya Boni Consil erizo basingura muzano gwabo go kubanza omizano ya Fiasa eri kusinga timu ya Kilombero Aces kuruga Tanzania na gori 3-0 okutangaza migisha yo kurabaho bwanyuma yo kutandika kubi barukusingwa timu ya Amos College na gori 1-0 omizano ebire hizo baryanyemwe bazyo Omuvolebo yabojo St Jerome SS Ndama yasinga Ecole Leke ya Burundi nobwo babushatu 0 nayo kutangaza migisha bwanyuma yo kutandika kubi barukusingwa izo baryanyemwe bazyo kandi yo timu ya Bukedi ya Comprehensive Ombishchi basinga bakirmana ba Soweto kuruga Kenya nobwo babushatu 0 okusikemizana ebiri eyibarukusinga mu mpakezi rero mbojo Bukedi ya Comprehensive na Namugongo za sikemizana ebiri zarukusinga omuzano gwa Scrabble Ntare School hamwe na Standard High School zana zichebembire bwanyuma emizano 5 ahari 14 kandi mu chess naho timu za Uganda ezirmu wampe ontake zatandika n'obusinguzi
timu zishatu emwe ya Bisoka Girls, Bisoka Boys and Scrabble. Bisoka Girls we are the champions. Bisoka Boys we came as number 2 and we expect to take it. As far as Scrabble is concerned, I've 20 now advantage kungatwabahondo mukasheshaka. So far we are leading.
Boko wachagamanye mwazyo abasigaye batandikire ko rungi konka barire bamanyesho zabo kimwe babizerizo kuzipereza katifata ngo bacikora kore no hotel team ya National 3-0 muri guca bagereye bacimanyise kandi ndegatawe nzano kuzagumizamo bazakora ku rungi okweyongerayo kore no profile ko mu group stage.
Abana bari mu shape n'umunonga kandi rizo batafumugisha twasinga timu ya Tanzania hostingire bakweta Kilombero na nagoro zishatu Arusha. Abana bazanaje munonga kandi tumanyangu next match uzana na timu ya Kenya kweta St Joseph Girls Kitale nzakoraje munonga kugira ngo progressing at some finals.
Uganda yayoreka amani no mu mizano endijo erimu beach soccer na tennis aho timu yacu burabine ekikopo basike emizano ebiri eyi barikusinga kandi omu handball abishiki n'abojo timu za Uganda zikiine amasiko bwa nyuma yo kutandika kurungi gasha kwa Elias Byamukama omuri Tanzania.
Webare Elias Byamukama muri Tanzania by'umuzano eyempake za ligue y'ihanga ezo muzano kwa basketball team eyanam Blazers esinjire ya City Oilers ahabwo banshanju nabona ahari nshanju okongera kutangaza emigisha eyo kugarukana ekikopo cy'empakezi hati timu zombiri nizinganisa ubonero bombe bino ubonero bibiri bwa nyuma ya finals na ahari umushanju ezanorwe abantu bijagarukamo okuritana hizoba eryanyu incakare acaye cyargo kare amakuru agiriye mizano agondwa twabasa kusyaho kandi amakuru gita gacencwire aho no twagahendera ahabwe cireki wabanaga kusyaho nde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na mutahi wanje Loice Gava wo rumo rwo bonero itwendzo kurara konje.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sip Marinda today and spread those smiles, please. Sip Marinda today and show your smile, please. No one smiles back at you, so come on, smile, please.
Sibabet kukebet, sibabet kukebet, we wina kukebet, sibamane kukebet, we wangu nile motoka, yes, buli mwezi kebet, egaba ye motoka, sibamane kukebet, we wangu nile pichi, anti kukebet, buli wiko funayo pichi.
K-Bet and Vroom! We wina! Kagwira una telekom ya unga ya chibi? Nga kumuloni guno, ogena kufuna msogu wangu le motoka, pichi, milioni bili buli wiki, nebila binchi. Gena kubsaiti ya fe ku kbet.ug. Ha! Kumuloni guno na waka pesa kukantu kwoli. Alikweto nyiga star, emumnana 5 star, 5 star, 7 star, bili hash. Alikwa alikwe mte nyiga star, emumukaga 5 star, nya star, mukaga star, nya hash. Betting is for persons 25 years and above. Betting is addictive and can be psychologically harmful.
The parent is Tuliahewa Dixon. And the child is Ani Tuliahewa Esther.
Kambera gwete kwa mchisha ngo ishe watu yahewa Esther wahangura school fees gende na hateja shana amashemero kwa gonka MTN momo eberewo mbere nyegasta igana kaga ni 5 star 80 hash kushashuro mwana school fees tokoma nyo muchisheri zagwisho wanje ninga nchaka ngwasa kuzo wawe mwebare munonga.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Business er busy konkati nyine stock. Omuringo nkogwe no ferwa customer murungi. Na apo ya numeda no basa kutunga roni ombwira. Tunga roni okugerera kimwa shirinjo bukikuru 30 omushabiri ni nazonka. Torukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema. Ekikuru downloading apo ya numeda oshaberoni nikiba cyaho. Hatuno basagariza mu stock yawe. Ohereze ba customer bawe otungure na business yawe. Wabo kwatanise n'abantu abashikira. Downloading apo ya numeda okuruga Google Play Store ningo teresumu ya note 8 note ishatu ema ina ema ishatu. Numeda fast simple built for business.
hamwe na ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads tokujara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinge bwingi n'amani go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinge izoba lyona nechiro pads zezi zikasimwa na awards za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers Pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads okwoloba amani obusinge. Feathers Sanitary Pads obukumi bw'omutano ombwire bw'omutano.
Mommy, yes, at school everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire Joshua.
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
From the grandest stage, the badges change, but the passion remains.
It's a special goal. Come at the hour, come at the man. This football is from the heavens. What a story this is.
10 months of drama lie ahead. The stage is set.
The biggest stars from the world's biggest leagues on Supersport. It's on GoTV.
Uganda, are you ready? Sidwa ngabiri muri muhoga skulu gaga cricket over we wali concert yo mwaka singa munene Swings Avenue Rutugusa Loice live and loud and your biggest musical celebration of the year sing them twale satu na chitundu VIP mtwalo mnana na chitundu emeza ya milioni nya tickets zitanso kutundiwa MTN momo kamunyenye momo kaga tano kamunyenye 20 kadara yangu tukigura kusamwenda zenyini fulu finka wambe stage ni wakidua
Uganda World
nebitegekebwa Swings Avenue
omwenge tewukirizibwa abo bali wansi y'emyaka 18 nnyo n'obuvunanyizibwa
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi Chuchumura kabozi tutumure stresi Tutumura burwiro komora kabozi Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband
Komora tukunyo chaka bozi multivitamin drink Chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amani masyo mu bashirira hamwe n'abakazi n'endijo migasho kwataka bozi multivitamin drink otuntumura chubaro na stress Echo kunywa chaka bozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited chamibwa UNBS kandi churuho mbipimo bya milliliters 120 omuduka supermarket hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwetorora ihanga ryona okushubura no kumanya bikukiraho 0702 15 81 01